welcome to Dave's Think Tank. So, last week I attended the grand opening of Nitro Pinball's first Toronto store. Whenever I find out that someone's trying to make it a bit easier to be a pinball owner, I like to give them a shout out. The event was well attended, with everyone enjoying the latest machines. They're located in the Woodbine Mall just off the 427 north of the airport, so an easy drive from just about anywhere in the Toronto area. If you're in need of some parts or want to try out the latest machines on the market, maybe check them out. I've been keeping myself busy rewriting the code for the Star Trek. I've really gotten tired of listening to the bonus ladder after 30 years and felt it was time for an update. Do you think this sounds better?
Fire all phases.
USS Enterprise calling Klingon vessel. Acknowledge, please.
I've also built in a photon torpedo light show, a simulated Enterprise computer, a skill shot, and a few more surprises. Hopefully I'll have that ready to go in a couple of weeks. I also need to install this new playfield from Classic Playfield Reproductions, so no end of projects around here. I got a lot of work to do, so I think that's it for today. See you in a couple of weeks.